So guys, we have discussed what is DHCP server. Now what we will do, we will install this DHCP service first. So we will follow these steps. We will install DHCP service. Then we will configure the DHCP server. Configuring the DHCP server in the sense, we will train the DHCP server. We will tell what should be the range, what should be the subnet mask, what should be the default gateway, etc. So to configure the DHCP server, we should install the DHCP server. It is not installed by default. We need to do it manually. Okay, so you will go to the server, and server should be the part of domain, and we need to log in with administrator, and we'll install the DHCP service. So how will you install the DHCP service? You will go to server manager and you will select this option, add roles and features. Then it will give you the best practices like administrator account has a strong password, network settings such as static IP addresses are configured, etc. So you will click next. Then you will select the first option, role based or feature based installation. You will click next and you will verify the server name and IP address. Then you will click next and you will select this option, DHCP server. Okay, this is the service, this is the role here. Then after selecting it, you will click next. It is selected. Then you will click next, 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 then install. So it will install the DHCP service. After installing it, okay, installation is done. You will close it. Then you will go to the notification center and you will complete the DHCP configuration. You will click this option. It is called as post deployment configuration. Service is installed. We need to do the post deployment configuration. You will select this option. Then you will click next. And here, as we have discussed, it should be authenticated. Okay. And specify the credential to be used to authorize this DHCP server. You need to authorize it. So it will select the first option, administrator, ms.com administrator, then commit, close. Okay, so DHCP is installed. And how will you verify? You will go to tools. Then you will get this DHCP option here. It is installed. If it is not installed, you will not find DHCP here. Okay, guys, so let us install the DHCP. Okay, guys, so this is the server where we will install the DHCP service. So we'll log on to this server. We'll go to add roles and features. We'll click next, next, and the IP address and server name is correct. Then we'll click next, and DHCP is already installed. Okay, no issues.